Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, April 11th, 2018. Well, we're going to see a nice little warm up over the next couple of days with temperatures far more spring-like than what we've been dealing with over the past couple of weeks. But unfortunately, today it's still going to be a bit cool out there with temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs throughout the region. Now, this morning we have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s, even a couple of upper teens as high pressure is sitting right over the region. Strong radiational cooling is allowing temperatures to crash to around the dew points, and so thus we are seeing some rather cold weather conditions this morning. In your urban areas along the coast, temperatures range from the mid 20s to lower 30s. So clearly we have some very chilly weather conditions. Now we do have some increasing cloud cover here with a little short wave that's moving through, a bit of a disturbance. Not producing much in the way of any precipitation, but certainly some cloud cover. The radar is certainly showing up more bark than actual bite, as nothing's reaching the ground, but certainly some increasing clouds. So expect this morning some increase in cloud cover, but for the most part, we're looking at scattered cloud cover for today. On the latest surface map, you can see high pressure sitting right over the region, and the short wave that I'm talking about barely shows up on the surface map at all. So, of course, when we take a look at the radar, when we take a look at the observations, this looks pretty impressive, but in reality, nothing is reaching the ground as the air is just far too dry, even over central and western Pennsylvania. So we just end up with cloudy conditions. Can't rule out a flurry possibly over portions of south central Pennsylvania and northeastern Pennsylvania, but other than that, not really much of an impact at all over the region for today. And on the latest infrared satellite picture, zoom in here, and you can see for the most part this short wave is moving through, some cloud cover, that is about it. Notice there really isn't any cold cloud tops, which means we're not really seeing any strong lifting. This is our next storm that's going to be brewing for the end of this weekend and the start of early next week. This looks like it's going to be a pretty impressive storm with the potential for some very heavy rainfall. And yes, even some strong to severe thunderstorms, especially in the Philadelphia metro and central and southern New Jersey. So we have to watch that for that on Monday morning for some pretty strong wind gusts. It's going to be pretty impressive. So we're going to keep an eye on that as we move forward. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered cloud cover is expected. Isolated rain or snow showers possible this morning over northeastern and central Pennsylvania. But that is about it. Temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs this afternoon. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover, potential for some locally dense fog forming in the early morning hours. Through the entire week, for the rest of this week, there will be a continuous threat for an isolated shower. And the reason why is that warm air is building into the region. So with warm air, you get this weak lifting that at times can produce an isolated shower. The key word here is isolated. Most locations will remain dry with just some scattered cloud cover. Temperatures tomorrow morning will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, very warm day. Scattered cloud cover is expected. Watch out for some locally dense fog in the morning. Winds will be from the southwest, somewhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Can't rule out an isolated shower, especially as you head up towards the Hudson River Valley, but that is about it. Temperatures, well, that's going to be the main story here. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures in the lower 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast. Now, if you're on Long Island with that southwesterly wind, look for more lower to mid 60s. As you head towards the New York City metro and the New Jersey coast, mid 60s to lower 70s. In the Delaware River Valley and pretty much just away from the coast throughout much of New Jersey and Connecticut, you're looking at temperatures ranging from the lower 70s to upper 70s, especially as you head towards the Philadelphia metro. Temperatures around 75, 78 degrees will certainly be possible on Friday. So certainly a very nice day is setting up on Friday. Saturday is pretty much a rinse and repeat with that cold front remaining to the north of the region. Look for scattered cloud cover. An isolated shower can't be ruled out. Dense fog in the morning is possible. Southwesterly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the temperature regime, again, pretty much the same. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s on Long Island. mid-60s to lower 70s along the immediate New Jersey coast, and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. Now, unfortunately, this all comes to an end on Sunday. The backdoor cold front drops south. This high pressure system forces in the marine air mass into the region, and that means periods of showers can be expected. Temperatures will vary from northeast to southwest. As you head towards Connecticut and Long Island, you're talking about temperatures holding in the mid to upper 40s. As you head towards the Philadelphia metro, temperatures basically holding in the mid to upper 50s throughout the day. So basically what you get in the morning is essentially what you get in the afternoon, where temperatures going nowhere, overcast, cloud covered, drizzle, periods of showers, just a raw, wet day with an easterly wind in place. On Monday, this is where things get interesting. This warm front tries to push back northward. This low pressure system is approaching with a cold front, and what you basically have here is a clash of three air masses: the marine air mass, the tropical air mass coming in from the Bahamas, and the polar air mass coming in from the west. So a clash of these three air masses lead to very heavy rainfall throughout the region, talking about anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain, and also the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms to the south of this warm front. So where this warm front sets up on Monday morning will basically set up where the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible on Monday morning, and the potential there with these thunderstorms will basically range from intense downpours, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. There is support for wind gusts as high as 70 miles per hour, which would lead to severe designation. There is a chance for some small hail, but for the most part, the primary threat would be the heavy rain and wind threat with these thunderstorms, and of course, occasional lightning as well. The only positive in this whole situation is that this is happening in the morning hours, so your instability is a bit limited, but overall a very stormy day on Monday morning, and that's going to be clearing out on Monday afternoon. By the time we get to Monday evening, we'll start to see skies clear out. Look for temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s, and high temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s, depending on the location of this warm front. On Tuesday, sky cloud cover is expected. An isolated shower cannot be ruled out as our low pressure system lifts up towards the Canadian Maritimes. Look for temperatures to range from the mid 30s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. On Wednesday, high pressure will be in control with a southwesterly wind, and we warm up significantly with lows in the mid 30s and highs ranging from the upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.